Ow! Oh! Alright then, watch this.
Ooh, that was a good one. Now, let me try.
Wow, that is excellent burping there.
Woohoo! Yeah, I think I'm getting the hang of it. Hee-hee. Your turn.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this.
Excuse me, you two. What do you two think you're doing?
We're just having a contest, Mum.
A what? It's a burping contest, Mom. It's because, you see, it's fun. Well, it's rude, crude, and vulgar. And it's disgusting. And if I hear you two burping again, you two will both be grounded.
I'm so scared.
Wait, be quiet, you. One more word from you, or I'll take this can away, right?
Okay, alright. We won't burp. Will we, Ben?
No, nor do I, Mum. I promise you that. Good. Now, and I forbid burping in this house. See you two later.
Oh, well then, Ben, what are we going to do now? I mean, we can't have a burp contest in here.
Well, I know we can't, but we could do it, over there for a start.
Ah, what, you mean on the floor, baby?
Yes.
At least Mum won't even notice that.
Yeah, come on then, let's go.
Okay, Ben, wait for me then. Well, see you in a minute, just. Well, I better take that can. Come this way, please. Alright then, Ben. Right, here we are again. Now, this time, we're over here now. And at least our Mum won't hear us this time.
Well, you know what they say. The show must go on.
Yeah. Or, even better, the burps must go on. Right, my turn to drink again.
Good one. My turn.
Wow, that was awesome. Well, now, watch this one. It's the biggest and the best.
You two? Was there any bumping in the house? No, Mum. I don't think it was me that time. Good. And you, Bort, I hope you're going to behave and promise me you won't let me down. No bumping at home?
No.
Good. Well, I better leave you do it, and you better not let me down, Bort. Well, see you two later. Yay! Bort is the champion! Woohoo! Well, this is turning excellent. Okay, Bort, yes, indeed, you won the burping contest. My turn again.
Okay. Go.
Well, I've done it this time. Your turn, Bort.
Okay.
What? You two? Was that you two burping again?
No, of course it's not me, Mum. It was Ben.
Oi! Don't you blame it on me! You burp! Bort is blaming me! Don't be a bumpy champion! Get out of it, you blooming son!
Ow! Oi! What did you do that for, Mum?
That's what you get for blaming old poor Ben here! Say sorry to him!
Alright. I'm coming. Ow! Alright. Alright then, Ben. Sorry if I had to blame you. Just because I didn't realise our Mum was coming back.
That's alright. Just don't blame me on me again.
I won't.
Thank you two. This is getting serious now. So, I forbid burping burping in this house. Yep, but Mom, it's fun. Well, you two may think it is fun, but not for me, because it's rude, vulgar, and even cruel. And luckily, my husband is not burping.
Oh, right. Okay, here I've just learned a lesson now. I will never ever burp again. I think I'll stick to orange squash.
Yeah, and be on black hot squash. Good for you too.
Alright, everybody. Oh, so I heard that we're having a burping contest. Oh, well, pardon my French.
Well then, Ben, looks like we got ourselves a new champion.
Oh, no. Well, I think that's just put me off drinks now.